what's good? I'm back. And we starting it off.
At the roundabout, take the second exit. Then keep left to Black Rock Street.
If y'all can't, I apologize. Wait, let me see here on the car. Hey, I don't know. Yeah, but like, we're starting it off at McD's, you feel me? Here's the Suzuki. Then we at McD's. Yeah, so now I'm taking my wallet. Because the boy forgot his... You feel me? No one has this one. Okay, I'm sure a lot of people have it, but like same shit. Today's bandit and the boy is also vlogging. So we're going to a car meet. We hope it's late, bro.
We hope it's late.
It's not late, bro. Yeah, man. Waste of cars. We go trip check. We go light. Woolies. We go check it. No man, crazy. Just some light, some slide. You know what I'm saying? So see y'all niggas when we get there. Yo. We made it to the meet. And I won't lie, it's crazy. Low key though. There's other cars here. You feel me? Got a young Beamer. So yeah, I'll show you all the cars. I don't want to talk too much and all of that, man. It's a dry and yeah, sure.
about to move.
Right to the back. Vlog, let me show you niggas something. Look at this car. Guy. This guy has no seats.
No seats. One seat only.
One seat only. Yo, niggas. So us, we are leaving now. You feel me? The car meets is now. It's now pop. Oh, wow. Yeah, so now we're leaving. And you know, Tando the driver, you know, young man. So I'll see y'all niggas in the next video. Appreciate y'all niggas. Subscribe, dude. Niggas gotta subscribe, dude. Like, come on, man. Promise keep posting, subscribe. Otherwise, we're posting. I'm with the gang, but like,
I can think about it. Yo.
I don't care.
Like, if you're driving,
where am I going now?
you're the driver.
But yeah, I'll catch y'all niggas.